How to fix Twitter we cannot send a text message to this phone number problem easily and fast. So welcome back guys to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So first thing you wanna do guys is very simple. Open the settings, go to the apps, open the apps manager page. Right here you will find all the apps. As you can see, scroll until you find Twitter. Click on the Twitter right here. Now all what you want to do here is click on the notifications and then go to the display in the status bar, disable it and then enable it again. Go back, open the storage, click on clear data, click delete, and now the problem must be solved. If it's not, then you have to uninstall your Twitter and then install it from the Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.